If you want to boost engagement during Zoom sessions, there are 3 built-in, easy-to-use tools that you need to know about in Zoom. The first is chat. The chat is the tool everyone is most likely to know. The chat can be used within a lesson by simply asking learners to add something specific to the chat. It can also be used to collect questions throughout content delivery that can be answered in a session pause. Everyone can initiate the chat by clicking on it and typing into the open box, and there is no prep needed for chat use, so you and your learners can activate it at any time in a session. The second tool you need to know about, polls. Polls require some prep, but they allow you to gauge your learners during the session. You can use a poll like a quiz question with the right answer, or as a choice between several options. Polls can be set up ahead of time to be deployed in the lesson when you're ready. Learners cannot create or initiate polls, but you can create them on the fly if you have a question you'd like to ask spur of the moment. Polls are a great way to take the pulse of your Zoom audience. The third Zoom tool you need to know about, breakout rooms. Breakout rooms allow you as the instructor to divide the larger Zoom group into small groups for discussion or activity work. Breakout rooms can be set randomly based on number of participants or manually based on whatever you'd like. One benefit to breakout rooms is having the ability to connect with a smaller group and share ideas more easily. One drawback to breakout rooms is that as an instructor, you can only be in one group at a time. Certain groups may need more direct support and should have a facilitator in each breakout room. Breakout rooms are most helpful when the attendees know what they are doing and could get more done in smaller groups. There are zillions of tools available in Zoom and outside of it, but these 3 can give you a good start if you're looking to increase engagement. Weigh out the pros and cons of the tools to figure out which will work best for your audience and purpose.